Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul and I'm super excited to talk about the write function in today's video. So let's move ahead and talk about this write function. So this write function in SQL allows you to extract a substring from a string starting from the rightmost character of that particular string. So in our previous video we talked about left, right? And it's exactly the same, the syntax is same. The only difference between left and right is that the left function extract the leftmost part of the string while the right function extract the rightmost part of the string. So let's go and run this query, and this is the subscriber base table. So in our subscriber base table we have our date of birth, right? And in our previous video we basically extracted the year on which the subscriber has born. Now what we need to do is that we need to extract the date on which the subscriber has born. So what we can do is that we can use this write function to get the last two character, or you can say the two characters from the right side, so that we can get on which date the subscriber has born. So what we'll do is that we'll simply write select date of birth, and after that we'll put this write function right, and the syntax of write is similar to left, where we just put the right keyword, we start a bracket, and then we'll put the column name, which is date of birth. And from the right hand side we just need the first two characters, right? So the first character here is 0 and the second character is 3. So I'll put 2 and then I'll put day of birth. Okay, now if I run this query I should get the original date of birth, which is here, and the first two characters from the right hand side of this date of birth column. So now if I run this query, you can see the output here. We have original date of birth and the day of birth here. So this is how basically you use write function to extract a substring from a string starting from the rightmost character. If you want to understand or learn more about SQL, then you can click on the right hand side of this video, or if you're interested in Excel, you can click on the left hand side of this video. Happy learning and see you in the next video.